Good afternoon, Genesis.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Genesis Mercado. I am 27 years old. I am married. I have one child.
Okay. I have few questions for you to answer, so let's start. Why do you want to work as a maid?
I want to work as a maid for the future of myself and my family.
Okay. Why you choose Malaysia when there's a lot of other country?
I choose Malaysia because it's near in the Philippines.
Okay. How are you qualified for this job?
I'm qualified for this job because I have experience as a domestic helper in Hong Kong and Dubai.
Okay. May I know what is your educational level?
I am high school graduate, ma'am.
Okay. What is your recent experience?
Domestic helper, ma'am.
Okay. Have you worked abroad before?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please tell me what place and how many years you work for?
I worked before in Hong Kong in 2010 to 2012 and in Dubai 2013 to 2014.
Okay. Do you have experience of taking care of baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose baby you taking care of?
Uh, my first my son and my employer.
Okay. How about elderly people?
I have experience for my grandmother,
Okay. How old is your grandmother?
87 years old.
Okay. Do you have any other special skills?
Yes, ma'am. Cooking.
Are you willing to learn new skills?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with a family where the mother-in-law or any relatives stay together?
Yes, ma'am.
Currently, are you still working now?
No, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What sort of food can you cook?
Like Arabic food and Chinese food and Filipino food.
Okay. Are you aware that you will have to do washing, cleaning, ironing, and cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
From all the house chores, which do you like most?
Ironing, cleaning, and cooking.
Okay. If ever you were selected to work in Malaysia, who will take care of your kids?
My husband, ma'am.
Okay. How much is the salary as a maid in Malaysia as you agreed and understand?
1,200 Malaysian ringgit.
Okay. What is the two rules agency have fixed in Malaysia?
Not allowed mobile and no day off.
Okay. How many years is the contract as you agreed and understand?
2 years contract, ma'am.
Can you describe for me your ethics?
I'm working and as a domestic helper in Hong Kong and Dubai.
I repeat. Can you describe for me your ethics, your attitude?
I am hardworking and flexible and honest, ma'am.
Okay. How can you assure to us that you will work hard in Malaysia?
I can assure you, ma'am, that I am hardworking in Malaysia.
Okay. Can you promise not to use the telephone without the permission of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to put on makeup but to dress properly while work?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to invite friends and relatives without the consent of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to ask for advance salary from your employer under any circumstances?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you really understand of the rules and regulations of the agency?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you pay any placement fee for you to come to Malaysia to work as a maid?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any history of sickness, example breast cancer or any other illness?
No, ma'am.
Do you suffer from any skin diseases, allergy or physical defect?
No, ma'am.
Have you suffered from any serious illness?
No, ma'am.
Have you undergone any operation?
Yes, ma'am.
What operation?
When my baby born.
Cesarean operation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you medically fit?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you on any medication?
No, ma'am.
Are you allergic with any food?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Genesis, we have finished our question section. Let's go to case study. I have 2 case studies for you and I want you to answer me truthfully, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, number 1. Upon arrival in Malaysia within 6 months, if ever any of your family members passed away, what will you do? Will you continue to work till finish your contract or you will go back?
I'm going back to finish my contract.
Okay, number 2. Once you reach Malaysia, let's say if you don't like to work and you want to go back, you have to bear the entire damages and the losses. Are you agreed for that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Genesis, what do you want to tell the employer who watching your video right now?
Ma'am and sir, if you choose me as your housemaid, I will do my best and I will finish I will finish 2 years contract to you and I will be honest.
Okay, thank you very much, Genesis. We will update to your agency if there's any selection made by the employer.
Thank you, ma'am.